it is a journey. It is not a quick fix, and this is, yeah, making me so triggered. Hey loves, good morning. So first of all, I just want to say that this may be triggering to some, my videos may be triggering to some, and I'm sorry, but I just want to, you know, be able to talk about my actual thoughts and feelings. You know, this is my channel. So I have divorced parents, and I spend my weekend at my dad's, and every single time I'm at my dad's, I eat so much junk food. I just don't do that when I'm at my mom's because we don't really keep that kind of stuff in our house, so it's not really possible. But when I'm at my dad's, they have movie nights, and you know, there's chips and there's candy, fast food, and tons of carbs everywhere. When I woke up today, I felt disgusting, to be honest. I felt like every time I've worked out and eaten healthily was or had been like revoked because I had eaten unhealthily for the weekend. You know, I had chips, I had candy, I had chocolate, I had junk food. You know, I had pasta, I had potato, I had pizza yesterday, and especially white bread makes me so bloated, and it hurts, and I freaking hate it. And so when I woke up today, I felt like I wanted to go on like a fast for like a month. Like, I didn't feel like I wanted to eat at all today. I still don't. I feel like I need to not eat so my body can like get back to its original state. And I feel like I've gained weight, and it's the absolute worst feeling that I know of. I feel like I look bloated, I feel like I look fat, I feel like I don't really even want to talk about these things. But you know, that's basically what this channel is, so, you know, here you go. But I just want to say that I did eat today. It didn't even taste good because I didn't have an appetite. I had some bacon and pasta, and I had a clementine and some milk. So I broke all of my like food rules. I ate dairy in the milk, I had processed foods in the bacon, pasta in the pasta obviously. My mom just asked me what I want for dinner, and I'm that type of person that I can't think about food unless I'm hungry. Like, I know some people with eating disorders, or some people just in general, think about food constantly. Like, it's the only thing on their mind. When they're not eating, they're thinking about food. And I'm the complete opposite. I hate thinking about food because it turns my appetite down to start thinking about food, because it scares me, it disgusts me. So I don't know if I will eat more today. I will put it in the vlog if I do. I have tried to film everything that I eat because I want to make a what I eat in a day, not as like inspiration or something, just for myself to, you know, see my progress. But I feel like I don't want to inspire anyone to eat like me. I don't want anyone to have these same, you know, food restriction thoughts that I do. But yeah, today I'm going to keep decluttering my room. Not really declutter as much. I decluttered in the last video. Now I'm gonna like organize more like. So yeah, let's get organizing. Okay, so I was just in a phone therapy session and I am so disappointed. I don't think I've ever actually talked to a psychologist, but my God, I wish I hadn't because it sucked. I actually have a physical appointment booked, so I'm going to give it like another chance. And I'm also going on I'm doing an eating disorder like evaluation thing, diagnosis, I don't know what it's called. And I just did this as kind of an in-between thing just because I wanted to talk to someone and see if they had like tips or whatever. But honestly, the things this psychologist said were worse than what I have already read online and watched on YouTube and, you know, thought of myself. This man, he said that there is only one way to stop depression and to stop anxiety and to stop eating disorders, basically. Everything has one simple solution. And I was like, whoa, okay, let me know. I have tried everything. Just let me know this amazing secret that you obviously have. And he said, just stop thinking about it. Mind freaking blown. Just don't think about it. Thank you. Like, I am so mad. I'm mad that I wasted my time. I'm mad that this person called when I was gonna eat and, you know, my food got cold. I had to reheat it. But I'm so mad because I know that this person talks to people that are in dire need of help and, you know, comfort and support. And the only thing that he said was to, you know, don't think about it. You know, think about something else. Go for a walk and think about the birds on the ground. or, you know, listen to a podcast and think about the stuff that they're saying. And yeah, of course, what an easy solution. But what happens when it's quiet? There is no one or no simple solution to healing from mental disorders. Recovering from a mental disorder takes time, it takes self-control, it takes help from others, it takes a really strong will, and it takes changing the way you think. And changing the way you think is not done by just thinking about other stuff physically. Like, yes, right now I'm thinking about filming a video and, you know, what I'm about to say, but when I stop filming and when I start, you know, just living my life again, my mind starts, you know, going by its own, and I can't control it at all times. If I think a bad thought, yes, I can correct it. I can correct my thoughts, but I can't not think them in the first place. Not just like this, like mind control, controlling your own mind and your own thoughts, you know, like the law of attraction or like meditation. It takes years to learn. It is not a simple fix that you just do because someone tells you to. If I tell you to not think about a pink elephant, what are you thinking about right now? It is not that freaking complicated. It just made me so mad. Yeah, you're cute. Keep going. Just keep cleaning yourself. So I was really triggered. It didn't help at all. And now I have an even stronger will to make YouTube videos. There needs to be more people talking about what you actually can do. So at the moment, I'm planning on making so many videos about how to recover, self-love, you know, things you can do for self-love, things you can do to recover from mental disorders, or start the journey to recovery, because it is a journey. It is not a quick fix, and this is, yeah, making me so triggered. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this really random, you know, organizing slash decluttering slash eating disorder slash recovery video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.